Good morning, everyone. Today we're at the Huntington Library. They have so many beautiful plants, as you can see around me. Hi. Specifically, look at this flower. So today we're starting at the Botanical Center, where it says plants are up to something. It's a little bit chilly outside, but in here it is so warm. And immediately, guess what we're greeted by? Paphiopedilums! So freaking pretty. I wish we could buy these. Normally what I'm filming are like plant tours of plants you can buy. So I'm just looking at these. I have to remind myself they're not for sale, okay? This is literally just the entrance and I'm blown away by these colors. I guess there's some type of hearing thing you can use so it could explain the plants to you, which would be great to use that instead of me, because I don't really know what's going on that much. Check out these staghorns, some more orchids here. I think these are like some types of orchids. This might be like a Dischidia type of thing. I don't even know. I don't even know names of plants here. All I can tell you is this is absolutely gorgeous. It's massive. Oh, the new leaves come out red. And the new stems are red too. I don't know if they fade into green. Ooh. This is definitely some kind of anthurium. Also extremely massive. Holy crap. This could be a bed. And oh my goodness, behind me, there are still more Paphiopedilums. This is so cool. I think this one's my favorite. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I recently bought one that kind of looks like this. Check it out, you guys. There's a bunch of tangerine plants over here. I'm gonna be honest, they look much prettier in nurseries than this. This looks just a little too crazy for me. But there's some flowers on here, which I have never seen before. And then some kind of orchid. It's massive. There's a ton of orchids in here everywhere. And then there's this, which I feel like might be a plant sold in plant stores as a rare plant, but I'm not 100% sure. It's one that I liked, so that's why I'm kind of thinking about it, but I don't really know. I just love this little swishy thing it's got going on. They have sensitive plants in here. They're very desensitized, I can imagine, because there's a lot of people coming around in here. More orchids. Oh, this one's dying off. My path just recently died. Well, the flower. Oh, this is an orchid. Species orchid. This is what it's called. It's from Colombia. Oh, it's one of those cool ones where the flowers come out of like the leaf area. Oh, I wish we could see them alive. because that's very, very cool. Check out this huge leaf. It's so droopy. It reminds me of an elephant ear. And there's probably a dendrobium right here. I love that the orchids are all blooming right now. That makes me so happy. Oh, I think this is like an aluminum plant maybe? I should stop trying to name plants. I'm gonna get them all wrong. There's some more orchids mounted on these trees. And apparently it's called a Darwin orchid. Oh, and Greekum! I might have one that I recently bought, but never mind, I don't think so. But I kind of want one, I don't know why. Pretty cool. So this is a little rainforest environment. It's pretty rainy. There's a bunch of ferns. Rare rainforest shrub. Osa pulchra. Tree. Oh, is that a banana tree? Little banana tree. Look at this plant. That's cool. I like the little stripiness of it. Philodendron campii Lynette. I'm gonna be honest, I would not have guessed that this is a philodendron. It's a popular philodendron. Cool. Oh, this is really cool. It's like a lightning version of a zebra plant, in my opinion. And of course, back to the past. This one is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Piper species, unidentified. A lot of these plants are unidentified. All these staghorns are everywhere. No idea what that even is. I think this one fell off of its stake. I wonder if they always live here or they just set it up because they bloomed. My god, you guys, look at this freaking anthurium. I think it's a vitrifolium. This is so pretty. I like how it's in that little basket. Maybe I'll put mine in a basket too. I don't think I could keep it watered enough for like that though. Oh my gosh, there's Phalaenopsis orchids mounted to this tree. That's how they live their little life.
Not the right weather.
This thing is so massive. I wonder how old it is. can't believe I have one in my house. Like, this is the most gorgeous plant ever. I want to like walk through it as if it's Christmas lights. There's a Schilleriana here. So pretty. Look at those leaves. There's even more. This is like heaven. Oh my gosh. Imagine having a garden with all of this in it. Like, wow. So we made our way around the top portion to the cloud forest. And do you know what the first freaking thing I see is through these windows? This massive varicosum. Oh my god. This is literally the biggest one that I've ever seen in my life. It's so huge, you guys. It's like an alocasia. Wow, look at the coloring. Look how thick this stem is. Oh my gosh. It's so thick, you guys. It's very long too. It comes from all the way back there. I hope you can see. It comes from all the way back there only to have like 5 leaves. Makes me feel a little bit better about mine. And there's more orchids. Ooh, I think these are teeny tiny begonias too. So cute. They're very small. They are so tiny. And I think these are syngoniums, maybe. There's pitcher plants. These are big, big pitchers. Ooh, a little growth cycle. So I guess they only last for around 200 days. That also makes me feel better. Wow, look how tall. I don't know what this is, but I really like the shape and texture of the leaf. It kind of looks like an enormous begonia. A little bit. Misty, cool, and tropical. I'm gonna be honest, I've been keeping my varicosum in a hot place. Well, not hot, but I don't know how cool they mean. But that could solve some issues. This is a massive plant as well. It's misting right now, by the way. Look at these flowers. Ooh. This looks like a peperomia that I've seen before. I obviously don't know if it is though. Here's like a closer up. I'm gonna put the name down and then we'll see if it is one. But I feel like it is. But I could be wrong. I see a bromeliad in the corner over there from its little stripes. Do you think snakes camouflage there well? Plants that grow on other plants are called epiphytes. Grows faster on the lower side to support extra weight. Oh, that's so nice of the tree. It's like, here, little plant, let me help you stay up. I like that. We're headed downstairs now. Plants grow like crazy in the rainforest. Ooh, a little pond. Pond plants are really cool. Those look very fuzzy and I really want to touch one. Look what's growing right here. It's a raft. Someone took a little chunky. It's coming down from above, which is really cool. Still roots, prop roots, or specialized adaptation air roots. Those air roots are cool. I like how they look. Ooh, look how pretty these are. They kind of look like that one aglaonema that reminds me of army like pattern, and it also looks like a Paphiopedilum leaf. Ooh, I think this is a king anthurium, queen maybe, Warocqueanum. It's one of those. It's either the king or the queen, but it's mounted. So that is very cool. This vine has been growing for 15 years. Never bloomed because it's so happy, maybe. That is crazy. I think it's this plant. It's just vining everywhere. Look at these, by the way. I wonder what it is. Look how pretty the begonia is. Wow. I'm pretty sure this is a Dieffenbachia or an aglaonema. But I love the colors together. This is a begonia breviremosa. Oh, there's little fishies. Hey, buds. I'm sorry, I don't think you can see. You guys, I think I found the gloriosums. I could be wrong, but I love gloriosums, and this looks like the plant that I love. Wow, there's so many. It would be a shame if someone just took a cut. No, I'm just kidding. That actually would be a shame. That would be insane. Wow, that is so gorgeous. There's another Viderifolium up here too. I think I see a Cissus discolor maybe? Where is it coming from? I found the rest of it. It's just vining around. Look at these beautiful pillowy leaves.
Oh, look at this thing.
Crazy. Yeah. This looks like a laniata. No, it's probably some kind of monstera. Probably a monstera. The leaves get big up there. That's so pretty. I can't get to it. Tongue fern? Oh my gosh, I love this. It looks so funny. This looks like a African violet, but I don't think it's one. Milkweed Hoya. Hoya villosa. This is the desert garden. I have to say, it is like the prettiest garden so far. The plants, like the cacti and succulents they chose, are so colorful and vibrant. And all the different shapes are really nice to look at. You know, I was thinking about like how pretty this would be like when it flowers, and then I realized this is kind of like how Radiator Springs looks like at Disneyland, and I've been there when they're all in bloom before, or not at Disneyland, California Adventure, but it's so pretty. Look how cool all of these cacti look together. I love how the Lophoceros sodii looks. How it's like toppling over itself and it's so lumpy and bumpy. And then over here it looks like they're just like rolling all over the ground. They're called creeping devils. It's really cool. There is this cute little monstera. And look, it's got 3 fruits on it. They need a lot more shade than I thought, seeing them like where they're placed. For some reason that sign says Maranta. Maybe there's Marantas around here too. Look how pretty.